Welcome to the Do and Do Little. We're a mother and daughter duo. That's Cray, and this is me. Today, we're doing a makeup tutorial with a Mardi Gras / Carnival theme. Celebrating Mardi Gras in November.
Oh, that was...
Nope, that was...
I realized.
Okay, here's Cray starting out, moisturizing her face. She's using Josie Maran body cream. It's all listed down below in the description box. Here's our primer. We got a little cheap here, Wet n Wild. We use a lot of drugstore type makeup. We haven't upgraded our makeup yet. It's her eyebrow gel. Yes, the long saga of her eyebrows. Giving you a close-up. Just think how long this takes, and I've speeded up the intensity of this screen. Putting a little hair strokes in there, very few, just filling in some thin parts. Using the spoilie again. Now we're doing the contour of her eyebrows. Again, she uses a darker color on the upper, or would you say outside of her brow? I'm not really sure what you actually call that. I'll have to look that up. She does a lighter color under her eyebrow. She's showing you some new sponges. She wants to use the new ones. Blending out the contour. And putting some on her eyelid. This helps the eyeshadow pigmentation show. using just eyebrow gel. Lays the hairs down. She's showing you she kind of got some hyperpigmentation from some pimples. We've learned a new trick. You put some contour on there, let that soak in and dry up. She is putting face powder over her eyelids to help the contour. Okay, we're using the You Can Be palette by You Can Be Cosmetics. She always puts her tape on. She likes that sharp cut of her eyeshadow. Now she's using a very dark, almost hunter green in her cut crease. And if you notice, she's gonna be matching our background. She's using all of those different colors. She uses several different eyeshadow palettes, but they're all listed below. Now she's using a rust color. And all these colors are colors of fall. Now we're doing an orangey color. They have it under the You Can Be palette under a yellow, but it's more orangey to us. See? And that palette is from Color Story. And that's the Absolute from New York color palette. She's using a lot of the golds and beiges from that palette. Tried to make sure we have a link in the description box of everything that we use. Come on now, push that like button. She's putting powder under her eyes. That is the catch a lot of the eyeshadow that tends to drip, flake, spread all over the face. Blending the cut crease out. She's happy. She's enjoying the look. Now she's going in with a green shimmer shadow right under the eyebrow, but above the cut crease. And she's using a green eyeliner pencil for her waterline. Here we go with the eyeliner by e.l.f. The eyes are done, except for the lashes. Foundation time, she uses Black Radiance in Espresso. Now watch, you will not notice that she ever had any hyperpigmentation from her recent pimple breakout. Blending it in. See, she's showing you, it's not there. Now she's contouring under the eye, the nose, forehead, chin, and upper lip. She's contouring her nose in a darker color, her forehead, her jowls, and her cheeks. Gives definition to the face. Lets it dry in, or what they call bake, just a little. Now she's starting to blend it out. Highlighting all her T-zones. Contouring her nose. She uses sponges and a brush. Different sponges for different areas of her face. I believe it's because of the color. Okay, face almost done. We're doing lashes that we got from Kiss products. One lash done. Both done. Did you subscribe yet and push your notifications? Now she's using a brown lip liner. And you won't believe the lipstick she's going to use. Her grandmother's old lipstick. This is a color Deep Wine. I believe it's Revlon. Doing the outer portions of her lips. And she does a really old color. It's a bright, spicy, shimmery orange. And those are just for the center. She uses just a little bit. And a little gold shimmer lip gloss. And that's her blush palette. She's using the darker color. There's her highlight by Black Radiance. She says she's more comfortable using her fingers to do it. Doing her nose, bridge of her nose, the top of her cheekbone, and the side of the eye. Just a slight little glimmer. Doesn't want to put too much to take away from the eye look. Now here's the final look. There you go. She looks like she was going somewhere. Now all we need is the outfit to go with it. See all the colors? Just blending right in.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.